This little-known story is coming to light in a groundbreaking exhibit of photos that reveals Albanian Muslims who saved 2,000 Jews during World War II. It's a story you've likely never heard, one told through the faces of these Albanian Muslims who risked their lives to live by a code of faith and honor called Besa.
We are going to protect anybody who asks for our help and come to that, and we're promising to take care of them and help.
The exhibit is opening eyes throughout the world.
You don't have to share the same faith. You have to respect each other's faith.
Pictures of Albanian Muslims tell a lifetime of stories. This man hid Jewish families, saying, "I did nothing special. All Jews are our brothers." The head of the Bektashti sect, with more than 7 million followers, tells the story of Albania's prime minister, who gave a secret order during the Nazi occupation. He said, "All Jewish children will sleep with your children. All will eat the same food. All will live as one family."
They were among the people who, at great personal risk, sheltered Jews and protected them in their homes, and did so out of a religious obligation.
In post-World War II Europe, it is said Albania is the only country to boast a greater number of Jews than before the Holocaust. The Islamic Foundation of Greater St. Louis and several local Jewish agencies hope the St. Louis community will experience this rare look at the role Albanian Muslims played in sheltering Jews from the Nazis.
At this time of tension over Islam in America, there is so much more to understanding Islam.